So part 2, here we go. We ended part 1 with this equation, that 3 of these 15 units plus 2 of these add things is giving me 85. Now I want to note that I could have easily also just focused right on this part here and said 2 adds plus 2 units equals 2 adds plus 2 of these units, which are 15, is equal to 70. And that would actually give me the same exact answer. But I'll stick with this one for now. So to simplify, 3 of those units is 45. And if we take those 45 off of each side, then we get that the 2 add boxes here are just 40. So one box must be 20. 20 erasers. And the question is, how many erasers were added to each box? So my answer is that 20 erasers were added to each box. I think that's reasonable. Let's go ahead and look. I've done my full mess. I've made my model. I did some equations. I showed some of my scratch work here, my calculations, and I've had my sentence as an answer. I want to make sure I'm really confident in what my answer is, so I'm going to do a little bit of check work. That's what comes next. So in order to check, I'm first going to look at what was told us at the beginning. It told us in the question that at the beginning there were 85 erasers in box A and 15 in box B. Let's see if I'm able to have them both. There we go. And then there was a change that happened. The change that happened is that a certain number of erasers were added to each box, an equal number. And I calculated that to be 20. So the change is that we're adding 20. And in the end, that would mean that in the end there would be 105 erasers in box A and 35 erasers in box B. What it tells us is that now box A should have 3 times as many as box B. So let's take a look and see if that's the case. Is that really 3 times as much as this? Let's see. Well, 3 35s does give us 105. So I'm pretty confident my answer is correct. Woohoo!